So, someone got rid of the hoe. Is that a Volkswagen emblem? Only 20 pounds of boost, that's it. Oof. Oh yeah. We got the person.
Look at the pit.
Holy, bro, this thing pops like crazy. You got the bougie sunroof up in here. They hit the ceiling. The PHT sticker. The most important, the CarPlay.
And
it's a 6-speed manual.
wiggle.
Shots fired. Oh. We made it to Janesville. Is that Jed behind us?
Yeah, it is.
It's Jed. So yeah, we made it to Janesville. We're probably gonna go get food first, and then go to the meet, and we'll get some videos there. We have people meeting up with us there. This car is so fun. Buddy looks steezy driving it in here. Right back there.
Mustang flying past
you got a little
already.
Mustang. So yeah, the strip kind of wakes up when it gets dark out. It's like nothing right now, but it'll get better. You see what I see? Yes, food.
Kane's chicken fingers.
We go get food. Yeah, no, the strip in the daytime looks weird. It's not right. There ain't no cars out really. Well, there's cars, but not the cars we're looking for.
I was driving.
I might. Dean, what did we pull up to, bud?
I don't even know, dude. Where is somewhere?
There's some crazy shit. We came here to do like. I don't know. I think so. All right, racing then. We pulled up here to do some small street races. They got like.
I just got this too.
They got like actual street races now. Like they got no prep right out here.
He never really drove.
So we got the GLI. We might run something. I don't know yet. Everyone's here. So Dean, bud, where did we pull up to? Take the camera. Take the camera. You can
So,
sit through the back glass.
Essentially, buddy Nate was telling us, oh, we're gonna go to somewhere. We're gonna go behind the Dollar General warehouse, take a peep at the Dollar General shit, and said we're gonna go do some racing because people were trying to do call-outs. So we get here, and what do I see? A track prep torch and track prep liquid. And then we start walking back over, and all I see a drag car going, blah, 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 blah. And then what do I hear? Are we dead ass?
Night.
But anyways.
Oh my god.
Anyways.
Going back to the car.
Anyways, Paddington. We lit in the city. We're Diddy.
There you go.
He's out of jail now. You know that?
So we finally made it out. We just had to not stay in the groove. Ain't that right, big man?
Yeah.
So we're dipping. It's 10:10 right now, so it ain't too late, but someone got to get home.
Yeah.
And yeah. So it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Probably gonna come back here next week if it's going on. Kind of ran into this accident. Nate was just like, yo, let's go race behind this factory, and they were already doing street races back here, so pretty cool. So I'm probably gonna cut the video here. We're gonna dip. It should be posted soonish. I'm gonna try to edit it soon. So adios. Say bye bye, Dean.
Deuces.